Using SOLIDWORKS, ex-Game star Monster Mike Schultz engineers durable and versatile prosthetics that have already transformed the world of adaptive action sports. The growth of Mike's company, Biodapped, means new challenges, like generating a ton of content for marketing and sales. Let's see how a team like Biodapped could use the 3DExperience platform and SOLIDWORKS Visualize Connected to create unlimited professional product imagery to fuel their ambitions. To start, Megan the manager creates an idea to capture the need for images showing color options, materials, and even some exploded views. In the swim community, Don sees Megan's new idea and uses the funnel to advance the track's progress. From his Compass favorite apps, Don launches SOLIDWORKS Visualize Connected. Visualize Connected runs locally, utilizing the full extent of Don's desktop GPU and CPU hardware. And it's always connected to the platform, which means everyone has instant access to the latest engineering data. A quick search finds the latest working revisions of the Moto Knee and VersaFoot designs. Don has all of the CAD data and vendor files he needs to get started while keeping everything secure and connected to the cloud. Great renderings start with capturing real-life details like decals, colors, and finishes. Decals can be created from static images, animations, or image sequences. Megan has supplied the approved decals from the vendor, and those extra files are synced through 3D Drive. Drag, drop, and then adjust the wrapping and scaling precisely for the cylindrical shock. The appearances from CAD are close to real, but aren't perfect. Custom materials are simple to create or modify, like defining a paint type to give more configurability. Don references a photo that Megan has added to the team's collaborative space. He uses the color picker to directly extract colors and match exactly what goes in the rendering. Real-time rendering means Don is seeing exactly what his final outputs will look like with each adjustment. Local and cloud appearance libraries are easily searched and applied. Visualize Connected makes for quick work to grab the latest design from the team, add details, and bring it to life. Color options like Mean Machine Green and Electric Blue are sure to create excitement in Megan's upcoming campaign. Applying appearances is quick. Control left, then right click. I've copied and pasted between components. Configurations store each color and track any changes in the model's appearances. What you see is what you get, as high-quality renderings happen in real time. With the endless possibilities of a virtual photo studio, Don adds even more creativity and professional touches by adjusting cameras and lighting. Adjusting the focal length gives the model more perspective, and Don can add depth of field to guide the viewer's eye. Endless amounts of cameras can be created for each project. Don can also select standard model views. Creating a custom light only takes a few clicks. In this case, Don uses the existing camera's position to help illuminate the shock absorber. Visualize will create whatever format Don needs, and also render out the alpha channels, which gives transparency to the image. Don heads back to the team community to share his update. This collage will definitely spark excitement and hopefully some good discussion on the team. Don also wants to create exploded views to highlight the detail and quality of the product. With Visualize Connected, Don opens his project from the cloud and continues where he left off. Getting unique shots like these in a traditional studio would take days of preparation. Using a simple triad, he can translate and rotate the components into place. In this case, grabbing the fasteners, bearings, and bumpers. He adds some depth of field to adjust focus and then duplicates the camera to exchange that focus point to the branding located on the VersaFoot. Don repeats this, focusing on the inserts, the fasteners, and the bearings located at the top of the Moto Knee. Since these exploded states have modified the entire model, a new revision is a good idea to keep the original rendering project available. Well, Don is ready to render all the cameras and configuration, so he sends them to the queue for batch processing. Don heads back to the platform and starts a new 3D story, which is a powerful way to create presentations. He brings all the images into predefined layouts, crafting a slide deck that organizes and shows off his morning's work. Of course, all of Don's deliverable files are synced through 3D Drive and instantly accessible by Megan and anyone else on the team who needs the latest product artwork. You have seen the simplicity and power of Visualize Connected. Memorable marketing content, websites, presentations, brochures, the list of where content is useful goes on and on. With Visualize connected to the 3DExperience platform, Don was able to leverage the latest Moto Knee and Versa foot designs and truly excel in his tasks. Ultimately, the whole team is able to achieve new levels of success with the 3DExperience platform, to engineer game-changing products and elevate their brand presence.